So firstly, I begin by taking a large vessel, adding in water and bring the water to boil, and then I'm going to add in the pellets of one cauliflower into it. You have to add the pellets only when the water starts to boil, and then I'm going to add in rock salt and allow this to completely boil for about 7 to 9 minutes. So you can see how well it's boiled. So you turn off the flame, you strain them, wash it under tap water once and keep it aside. Now take a small mixing bowl. I'm going to add these cauliflower into it, adding in some cornstarch, adding in some rice flour, some chaat masala, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to toss all of this well together. Keep it aside. The bigger pellets I have sliced it into half, the smaller pellets I have left it as they are. Now in a mixing bowl I'm going to add in some cornstarch, some rice flour, salt, hot oil, and I'm going to mix all of this well by pressing in between my fingers. Crumble until you get the texture of breadcrumbs. Now you add water gradually and whisk it continuously. Add water little by little. The paste should not be too thick, too flowy. It should be medium consistency. Okay, thick but flowy, like this. See, this is how the consistency should be. Okay, that is when you add in all the cauliflower with the remaining powders and gently mix in well. Okay, you should not mix it in a usual way. You should not break the pellets of the cauliflower, so mix in delicately. See that all the masala is coated evenly all around the cauliflower pellets. If you feel it's a bit dry, add a little bit of water, sprinkle, and then again continue mixing until each pellet is covered with the masala paste like this. Okay. Now I've taken in a kadai on medium flame. I've allowed the oil to become hot. Then I'm dropping in one pellet of the cauliflower at a time. Don't crowd them. Don't drop in one above the another. Okay. Leave space in between each one of them and allow them to fry on this low to medium flame for about a minute, and taking a ladle like this, unstick them from the base and from each other. Okay, you need to drop the pellets into the oil only when the oil has become hot. Now we will cook this in low to medium flame for about 7 to 10 minutes because we want the inside of the cauliflower to also cook. Okay, so now you can see that there's a nice brown color and it has been cooking for about 9 minutes. We drain the excess of oil and keep them on a tissue paper on a plate. Allow the oil to become hot. Before that, add in few curry leaves and immediately remove them after 3 seconds. This is just for serving. Okay, allow the oil to become hot on its own. After 5 minutes of getting hot, then drop in these pakoras into the hot oil like this. and fry for about a minute or a two. You can see the outer layer of the pakoda has turned a little darker brown and crispy. That is when you remove them from the oil, drain out the excess oil and keep this aside. Turn off the flame and it is ready to be served. So this is yummy, tasty, crispy pakoda which you can have it as an evening snack or even with your main course, and it is best had with tomato ketchup as its side. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to try out this recipe and leave a comment in the section down below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.